Ano ba abo kabalen? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. That's you guys! Alright, so for today's vlog, we would like to thank Jug Wings for sending us this wings platter. Ayan guys. And a couple of spaghetti food packs. Siyempre, hindi mo mawawala yung mga garlic mayo dips natin dyan. So, it is no doubt na merong malungkot na epekto ang COVID-19 sa atin in terms of, health, economy, pinagkukuhanan ng ating kinabubuhay. But for this group of friends, yung mga team jugs natin dyan, so nag-start po ang kanilang business just this quarantine period. Why not sell yung mga favorite nilang mga pulutan? So long story short, they tried their dearly loved, mga wings flavor natin to sell to their friends, sa mga kamag-anak, to their neighbors, and surprisingly and fortunately, nagustuhan nila. So doon nag-proceed yung kanilang business, and right now, they have Jug Wings, no? Let's talk about their menu. So let's start with the party tray. Meron silang 30 pieces. Choice of 2 flavor, alioli, garlic, and fries. That's only 749 pesos. Meron din po silang 55 pieces. Wow, that's a lot of wings. Choice of 2 flavors with dip, alioli, garlic, and fries. So that's 1,299 pesos naman. Now for the rice meals, meron din po sila 3 pieces of wings plus 1 rice plus veggies. It's only 119 pesos. 6 pieces of wings with 2 rice and veggies. That's 199 pesos. Now, with the spaghetti, meron silang solo or duo. Meron din silang spaghetti meals. 3 pieces of chicken wings and spaghetti. That's 179 pesos only. And 6 pieces of wings plus spaghetti. That's, shareable for 2 to 3 persons. 299 pesos lang. Now, for the wings flavors, these are their best sellers. Buffalo hot, honey sriracha, barbecue, salted egg, and for the new flavors, meron silang honey glazed and soy garlic. Now, ang pinadala nila sa atin, guys, are yung mga best sellers nila. Grabe. I'm gonna taste first yung kanilang buffalo hot. Because check out those chilies, no? Sobra. Ang dami nilang chili. And that's what I like about food, man. It's all about hotness and spiciness. Oh wow. That is absolutely super hot. Medyo pinipigilan ko lang talaga yung pagsasalita ko, pero it is so buttery. It's so flavorful. So just about time to clean up our, palate, our taste buds. We're gonna try now their spaghetti. Grabe, this is meaty overload. It has, tons of cheese on top. I have to comment, no, yung noodles nila is not dry. Oh yeah. Wow. Para sa akin, this, spaghetti is actually more than good enough. Sabi ko nga kanina, it has loads of meat, sauce is abundant, yung mga grated cheese natin on top. It is a lot. I met this Jug team, who started Jug Wings. They are really cool guys. Sa inyo na Jug team, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the luck. Good luck on your business. God bless you more. Sana maparami pa yung mga umorder sa inyo. And guys, if you're interested to try their wings as well as their spaghetti, their meaty cheesy spaghetti, make sure to contact the fan page that is flashing on your screens right now, and enjoy this at the comfort of your home. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reactions and recommendations coming from you guys are highly appreciated. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace. Bye-bye.